Hi guys, this is Eric Windsor again at Premising Motors. Hey, welcome to another edition of our how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can access your owner's manual in a brand new 2019 GMC Terrain Denali. Now it always comes up with our customers on how the buttons work in the new vehicles. This particular vehicle comes with a lot of options. You know, memory seats, power lift gate, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, blind zone, systems as well too, navigation. You have heated seats, selectable drive mode, rear heated seats, the whole shebang. A lot of customers always ask, Eric, how does that work? Now, if you're like me, you're always busy working and you don't have quite the time to find the manual, peruse through all the pages. You don't have to do that anymore. You can do it sitting comfortably at 60 degrees in your brand new GMC Terrain Denali. Now, how do you do that? Just focus on the infotainment system in front of you. This is the newest version of GMC's IntelliLink system. It acts pretty much like a tablet. All you have to do is swipe left or right to access the different pages. For this purpose of this video, we're going to swipe to the utmost right section. Now, you'll see the app icon, marketplace, on-site services, and this is what we're going to focus on, which is the GMC button. So if you initially look at it, it'll have a couple permissions, which I clicked already on it, and then you'll be able to access the owner manual. So if you're like me and you want to learn more about different features in your brand new vehicle, all you have to do is type in a keyword. For example, we're going to now look up heated seats, because if you want to find out how it works and what it does, type in the keyword that best suits what you are looking for, and it should populate all the topics pertaining to the keywords you put in. I'm gonna look up how the rear heated seats work. It even comes with a disclosure, as you can see. So all you got to do is scroll down, kind of like if you're looking at a computer or a laptop or a tablet, and it should show you all the instructions on how to make it work and what it does. Very intuitive and very easy for consumers these days too. I always encourage owners to always ask us for questions. We're always here to help. But if you're on the road and you can't quite figure out how to make things work, all you have to do is find the screen that shows your My GMC. You should have access to your owner's manual. Please let us know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys always liking us on Facebook and our YouTube channel. And we'd appreciate any feedback. Find us on Facebook at The Real Deal Premising Motors. Give us as many likes and clicks as you can on our YouTube channel too, and let us know what more content you'd like to make us make. And thank you so much, and have a great day.